If you post content on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and you keep getting 0 views on all the videos you post for your organic dropshipping business, well, I will show you exactly how to fix that. I'm going to start off with 4 bulletproof methods, click by click, on exactly how to do that and get rid of that problem. And then I'm also going to show you how to properly set up accounts so this never happens again in the future. Every time you create a new account, everything just works and nothing gets 0 views. So the very first option you have, it's a very simple one, but just try to change your VPN. There's tons of free VPN providers. However, I would highly recommend either getting NordVPN or Surfshark. Even though you have to pay for them, the investment is worth it. With these cheap ones, sometimes they just turn off and on for a second and the entire account can actually get ruined by the VPN just glitching a little bit. To start with NordVPN, you can just click the link below this video and I have an affiliate link, you can start with that. Or you use Surfshark, I don't have an affiliate with them, but they're equally as good. I don't want to sell you on anything here. It's genuinely important that you use one out of those 2. Now about the VPN setup, obviously if you target your own home country, if you live in the US and you want to sell to the US, you don't need a VPN. But one thing you do have to do if you sell to your own country and want to go viral there is you want to make sure that you don't post from the same IP with different phones. If you do that, your account is likely to get shadow banned or banned. Now, even with this whole VPN thing, in some cases, it's not going to be enough and you still will keep getting 0 views. So then you're going to start doing option number 2. And it is factory resetting your entire phone. You're going to have to do that even though it's annoying. And if you use your private phone, keep in mind, everything is going to get deleted. So ideally use not your private phone for that. So that's generally something I always recommend doing. It is getting a couple of phones. If you will want to target different countries in the long run, and you will want to do that, you're going to have multiple phones anyway. And whenever something happens, factory resetting your iPhone is actually going to be very, very useful. I'm going to put a screen share video here with a click-by-click tutorial on how to actually do that on an iPhone if you already have a phone where you don't need any pictures or any of that. Now, a big mistake which people are doing, and that might be the issue why they got banned, is they don't wait long enough in between making multiple accounts. If you create one account, you have to wait a couple of days until you create the next one. Very important. And also it's very crucial that you don't act like a bot on that new account. So just don't like every video you see, don't scroll too fast, just behave like a regular human being, watch some content, scroll past some others, save some videos, like some, but don't behave like a bot. And this is very important. You have to do this for a couple of days. For a couple of days, just log into your phone, scroll around a little bit, engage here and there, log out, and only after that, start posting on the account. And by the way, if I'm going a little bit too fast here, I prepared a full checklist on all the technical things you can do wrong and you have to do right. And in the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that. But anyways, option number 4, and it's a very annoying one, but it is reality and it is making extremely good content. So if you have an account which just gets 0 views all the time, you post a banger of a video. We've seen this multiple times where you just start still going viral. If TikTok sees your content is amazing, they will boost it no matter what. Now, common mistakes you have to avoid is number 1, whenever you make a second account for scaling, for example, or for whatever reason, you're not allowed to name it too similar. For example, if your main account is account test and then you create another one which is going to be called account test US, you're not allowed to do that. Especially on YouTube, you might just get banned just for doing that. Common mistake number 2 is engaging too fast with accounts. So following too many people right after you created the account, liking too many things, saving too much stuff. It's just too much of a bot behavior. Okay, don't do that. Mistake number 3 is posting your videos right away after you have created the account. Big red flag for TikTok, don't do it. The next is using the same IP address and posting from different phones on the same account. Not allowed to do that. Also, I've seen that a lot of you guys are reusing the same exact clips in multiple videos. If you have a 2-second clip and you use it in multiple of your videos, you can get shadow banned for that. So under no circumstances ever do that. Don't repost the same videos as well. Make sure you have unique content every single time you post. And also the point of this whole thing is learning the skill of going viral. You're not going to be able to learn how to make great content if you just keep reusing the same exact videos over and over again because you think think they're great. That's not how it works. You will get shadow banned and you're not going to build the skill. Now we have one other way of fixing this, which is in our program. Unfortunately, I cannot talk about this here on this channel because it's going to get saturated if too many people know about it. But all of the things I told you about here by themselves are already extremely valuable. If you want to get the full checklist of what to do and what to avoid to not get 0 views anymore, just DM me technical checklist on Instagram and I'm going to send it your way. Also, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and binge watch this channel, especially the video I'm going to link here. This is a full breakdown video, an A to Z guide on how to go viral with organic content and make the most amount of sales. There's no better content out there about organic dropshipping, so just watch that as your next video.